Well, I mean, we are also grateful for, giving us such a piece. Honestly, like I told you, a lot of people send me songs to react to it, to do something, but we tell you now, I won't do it. But when I hear the song, I realize that the quality of the song is what pushing. And one thing so I'm observing a video no a combination of both America and Ghana. And then there are other footages be woman. It speaks a lot because at a point you see the Islamic people praying, at a point in with the Christian for bompai, which means the kind of message you were putting in, yeah, they be a retargeting Christian for ankote another, but it's some kind of a message that represents the entire universe.
DJ Paco Rich.
Okay, people, welcome to the channel. We're from a DJ Paco Rich, and today happens to be a very wonderful day. Suahana. Earlier today, me posted Rumbi, and the Nyomana is very beautiful. I mean, it's a contents on the lyrical vibe. So when you na, it's quite different from our marketing. Last week, I Zap Mallet record assembly day. On them there, a month for hits nature quantity, or you hard for them to produce proper songs. Today, the way are those days, and you be away, say, you there about Onyansapow woman and all that. And this young man has done a very great job because you can tell the net hits but the message pedal puts across him. And or the woman. I'm going to speak to him all the way from USA. Nara Chehen, US and parts or states or one as a yes, the home common kakrana didn't see. With the Nara Bonizin. Brother, up there.
Boss.
I feel shades about father Fabo Fisher Papa Cope.
Oh, I think come to you and I feel see ma na moda ya na kumadu na nyankopo na ya ma feel.
Nice one. Brother, for the benefits of za onto within the only moon, when any reason coming?
Pocho me da sepa de wetu watu sa from oye meni JP mechia won so worite won na etefu na Ghana fu na mechia won nyina pocho wo from Onyansapow bo wanu po mizina nkasa de wo from William Sesi na metena atakra de most of the time mko services JSS na mko Adisada College from there na meba Poly na mko me national service wo half as senior high school na nyame ya do me tu kwan meba America. Na me serving in the US Navy. I'm retired in December. Since I'm in the US Army, cyber security command in the Juma. Now since I'm based in Virginia. Wow.
Wonderful introduction. Virginia, so there was a wire troop. Anyway.
Virginia does. It's a different way, baby.
Na make sure so you buy Santa for Sunday will go here so do na but they will be 198th anniversary so bibi dam yeah
masum yeah Santa 98
I say boy ya na me hu na me so man kai wo there will be one anniversary ti e wo feel
no carpa.
Anyway, that's a very wonderful introduction, but it carries a lot of weight, but obi ohwa onto da nti ye bokwekete enwomana ba yaba na no mun koma mempeda nkoma ne be yetenten cry straight to the point niam nkofu hu the kind of message that you want to put across. And see, people, if you are ready, let's go check the sound up from Onyansapow. What you are doing here, Baze?
Bowanopo.
be rido wayemu jama weduma ejeze foso wo hine jamo eneni akom so fia shayama yentu be ya papai yana wanze yana yazere bwe jama mosere ya fa yentu memfa mosere ya ka yenjizi ni na ra yazere maboso so kankra yesu frewo yenya ya brabo emo eja ya frewo yenya ya brabo emo ya mambore so mani yenya ya brabo emo krono bore so mani yenya ya brabo emo papa ya sambonya doso papa ya sambonya doso papa ya sambonya doso oh the first minister, AU summit, UN summit, ECOWAS summit, ECOSIAGA, Osande, Yeshira, and so Tuna one and Trouser, Pendant, you know, full of alcohol and suffer one advert. No way, come on, kick out, cause you are kick on, I do proverbs. Where are we heading to? Ghana for him, found a Yaropa. A queen no more yes, a just a phone, Pabway no more yes, and no more yes now. A queen no more yes, just a phone, Pabway no more yes, and no more yes now. And there's a painting, I won't fool Pia neglect one by. Sasa was Samso, when your parents sang Boframba, and then Boframbe, when you take kind of geography. Now, so when you're what they connect, caution, pornography, all the best emphasis, all Shannon boy on an hour kisses, what you need school fees, now so do school or your misses, nickname somebody, it's a big game, and I'm dumpy. Or killing me, we punu, opwe padwa, you are the who. Ye brew Christ look, I'm on fue, ye brew Christ look right. Ye brew Christ look, I'm on fue, ye brew Christ look right. And then you say, full of sicknesses, nowhere to right. And when no more yes, and just a phone pub, no more yes, and no more yes, and I'm sharp,
Beautiful song from Onyansapow. What you there's in Sabu Bupa. A Krubia Chabapa say what do I could school that I call you be the business in edible kisses.
Yeah.
Obisu boss your geography, no she had no question pornography.
Now the question pornography.
I like the content of your music because it seems to cover every part of BBR Kodoa Ghana, and I believe the monitor system now shares or Kodo in the year. What's the real inspiration behind this music that you did?
Oh, okay, Medase. The content is very good, and I think it's very relevant with whatever is happening in our time. Normally, I am impaired. Me take credit for Onyomuno because it was a direct inspiration from heaven. Now, yeah, you break 5-day fast or half as me prayer temple assemblies of God. I'm in shadow. I'm more of an aggressive play. I pray aggressive. I am in time bomb pain. So maybe now first of all bomb pain and me did so just to keep myself busy now. We started the marathon. So after that marathon, the chorus, I realized that was a good song. So I built up on it now. Metro lyrics ni BBR, but no munana me the two kwan me the ba USA, but not the makumado there. Nyame ya madum na mi nyamuwa Mabomodena Namidepo because I felt the or a message Nyanko Pompedem Kofote. So the inspiration came straight from heaven.
All right. To be honest with you, I mean, it'll be a saying that the content is great and this is not an ordinary music. But I do cry maybe saying that this is your first attempt on the music, like first record that is about out in another I hear you be more about out that.
My year nyumpi more about any my first attempt. My first attempt was time I me T-Poly na me music because that was the only way I made to make my school fees na non kakao. But I wasn't so much into music. But we know and amanya nkofo se ochala tro nyum pi ko record nti me na kwabena bon nyum daben odo ko ya cho wa ma mi tumindo na kwabena na ye na me ne Castro so yeah. I went to the riverside and I saw a beautiful girl. Hate Ghana nkofo boy but amankasa no na ma adwene nhyeda ni enyum ho na me de kwaye me national service nti no mu no na me de tu kwan Babbage. Into me bear na me retire, me release never say die. Ohia poso na ma me ho atete every ashase nyesa na ete me na sre me mo masonte sankebe duane mo na interest ase na me release we move na me release a couple of songs I call audio mark na all streaming platforms ebe nyanyi now.
Well, I mean that's great to know, but as a course, when there you don't play with the sound quality because normally, sabi, excuse me to say, you know my broaching or cutting on away and your okwato sound card bi ye jeje wa bobo bibi konko na wa asena mo nti esena nyoma na mama na me say the kind of production I mean kindi na edwuma na azina but the kind of production I met in I was so much impressed that who will invest that much in a song because at a point I could hear there and nyoma breaking in there live instruments be na azina na wo team there onye dam kind of fast food music na nyumbi na obana papa na we trim or your computer everything but who there or your live instruments blended with the digital system and it's say you're feeling it different. Why would you go to that extent to push so much into music like this?
Wow, that's a very good question. Yeah, me that's pass it to me be say Seji bibiza you like to make it good, you like to make it better, then kofo better obita obene do no so wa share am obi ena enyum no so me feel there mankasa me tell mo ho me feel do deserve amount of attention na that amount of invent nti King D so crap on nala free o free Ghana no ba US ye anyum nyina o me fie me dem ade na ye bibia or ye tina for be a week na ye de bibia or no that send akọ Ghana na Ghana for some wo be no be. So I think that it was worth the investment based on the content and the inspiration behind the music na me am obia ma obia so na so ata ono so nenu age ho ono so wetum pusha manenya nkodo enyumi oyedo oya ahumka wom ananum nsam no aba wom nti I'm really proud of all the investment that we so far and ebina I would say you have a very huge platform when you are so I think that it has paid off and I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful.
Well, I mean, we are also grateful for, giving us such a piece. Honestly, like I told you, a lot of people send me songs to react to it, to do something, but we tell you now, I won't do it. But when I hear the song, I realize that the quality of the song is what pushing. And one thing so I'm observing a video no a combination of both America and Ghana. And then there are other footages be it speaks a lot, because at a point you see the Islamic people praying, at a point in with the Christian for bompai, which means the kind of message you were putting in, yeah, they be a retargeting Christian for ankote another, but it's some kind of a message that represents the entire universe. There will be, and I would advise you, enya one. But Mozana when your subtitles one fema in human ama other people are one figana na utea at least music is melody or your groove na you'll bring a feeling into otum at least okay where so was na or better say that's my American answer. So about the video about the video and quality also your top notch. So what can you tell us about the production of the videos, how it all came about in Nazina? Also briefly tell us something about that.
Oh yeah, me da sepa de etum ebwebwe nsemiado wo questioning no, because I've had the same request from Abrofo Awaha requesting me to do them subtitle no ochede Edwin Kwechi also adwin ho akacha me da sepa video no me here with Regan Studio or a big video studio or Richmond now Abrofo bidia no one said they listened to the song now on task, so when I explained they quickly jumped on it into although kasa one task no meboa one p with the concept na ma pede okomobia to the meken or opia and also what I say wanimi juma. It took us a while, but because we wanted the best out, so I'm glad we are getting positive feedbacks from well-meaning players in the game. No, in fact, Osha Yankra, they betuma more. Now also crap they've requested for the translation of the song to do the subtitle. Maybe within the next few weeks, no nyame ya adoma bibia be ready na out to them again.
Okay, so before I leave, one last more thing I'm a pede baby so. But I could be saying us I said oh padi you made or you remember your phone a work album. People felt the message you had or those be bring in koide. Idia no part 1 and part 2 another or you num 2 and 3 na keni na boom. I don't know if you've also had that feeling there. Oh, I day and someone no one you no those be brain in koide. I mean another composition bina no sodam. Any feeling be dama.
Oh, I know quite because no onye full length of no, but many kindi juma no sisi most for music industry net na nyom tintin pia oya nkofo ebufu another nkofo rente, so we really have to edit a lot of stuff out. Nteye wie so oya nsem na ebeye from no oya zin because oya da assembly can be not to assume nti yenya abotar na yeto da mobile 4 minutes, but I think that is my style most of the time. No, menu be or crap we be or me could be one bright day afina me be it's like 12 minutes or no, so say yenya botera na yeto do more babe 5 minutes, because most of the time when the words start coming now, sometimes it's uncontrollable. I am in control until Onyada me shada na me yanetintin, but it just keep flowing them. But I think that at the end of the day, the message is going. Now once we buepi, tinyame inshira one. Yada obey inshira amobi.
All right. I think we've done 80 minutes of talks and conversation, and remember over 20. You will tell people, baby, I will be where people can download this music from platforms over to me. And our last message for everybody listening to music, your music, the whole world. We'll short brief message at the Bamohon. Na yemfensiha.
Yo, sepade edema ba huge platform do nyame shop onyo bia no betume ina kumemwae Maya Mami. I'm really very, very much appreciative of what you've done for me. The all music platform to me stream or baby Apple Music or Audiomack or Echo Boomplay or Echo YouTube or I think minim baby ebe bo midina enkonya nyum ni free mo nyanda ebe bo Onyansapow bo one for the prayer nyum ni bepwe me advice to the world the BBN abotar especially the up and coming artists no the best start you said something very deep there I pray that you benya hate into no yenya abotar yenya nyum no enya abotar at the end of the day na edem paibo techra nyankopon ankasa bepia wejuma pa aye nti bibie ni a ya abotar na wo nyum no about so one fan paibo one fanta ye nature no push ama nyankopon ogudo ade asam to yana kumado aye tum ye da brawa nyame hira wonpi.
All right, people. It's Onyansapow, Unauthorized. Emisumi fikuntu and Singapore. Sisi arami na be three. That has been a wonderful conversation with my brother Onyansapow, Unauthorized, and I like the name so much. He's been my first time I met Sheminez in Kitahun, but you see, you've been more the click is just instant and the connection. Me, I'm somebody when you come to me. I always want to help you grow in everything that you do. Even the first time I catch you but YouTube na kasa title and all those things. That's how it should be. It should be, yes. Going forward in Kakranka, you be pia Kakranka da man. So thank you so much for speaking to us, and I'm sure there yabasani aye ibio. Inti yare kwaneze amam for yaze Onyansapow Unauthorized the prayer in a yezija one kwani yakra one. Bye bye.
DJ Paco Rich.